In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Monday.com board private. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Monday.com homepage. Once you're in, locate the board that you'd like to turn private. Just click on it to open it up. This is where all your team's work happens, so it's important to manage its privacy effectively. Once you've selected your board, look towards the top right corner of the board's interface. You should see an icon with 3 dots, which we often refer to as the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear that reveals a list of advanced controls you can utilize for this board. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Settings option within that drop-down menu. Simply hover your mouse over Settings, and this will expand a secondary menu displaying more choices related to board management. This is where you'll find the option we need to use. Now, from that secondary menu, look for the option labeled Change Board Type and hover your mouse over it. This will reveal further options, including the type of visibility settings you can apply to your board. You're nearly done at this point, so keep following along. The next step is crucial. You'll see an option that says Change to Private. Go ahead and click this option. This action signifies that you want your board to be visible only to specific members or just to yourself, depending on your setup. Making your board private is a great way to maintain confidentiality and control who has access to your projects. Finally, a confirmation button will pop up labeled Change Board to Private. It's important to click this button to finalize the process. Without this final step, your changes won't take effect. Once you've clicked, your board is now private. And there you have it. Making a Monday.com board private is as simple as following these straightforward steps. If you need to adjust the privacy settings again in the future, you can go back through this same menu. To recap, remember to log in, select your board, navigate through the More Options menu to Settings, change your board type, select Private, and confirm your change. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Happy organizing with your new private